Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share an interesting case study that we've got through our repair solutions on this VW Golf. This particular one, 2011 turbo diesel Golf, was presented to us with the DPF light on. So you've got to remember with DPFs in particular, diesel particular filters, normally there's a cause for that light to come on. If we've got a DPF issue in a car, there's normally something upstream that's causing that particular problem to happen. So a bit of investigation on this particular car, as I mentioned, a 2011 with the 2-litre CFFB motor in it. The car was running too cold, so it was running at 65 degrees instead of 90 degrees once it got warm. So the car was running cold, therefore enriching the car all the time. So we had to work out why the engine wasn't getting up to operating temperature. So a bit of investigation on this. We also found that there's a couple of thermostats in the car, not just one. And another thermostat which actually controls the transmission cooler. So in the actual engine bay here, you can see the transmission cooler's in here, but there's another thermostat linked in with that. And that particular one has a tendency to jam open. So once that jams open, then it's not going to close. Obviously, we're not going to get up to that correct engine temperature, so the vehicle runs cold. Most of our customers wouldn't notice that on a temperature gauge. They don't really take much notice of it. But once that DPF light came on, obviously that was a concern. So they brought the car in, and interestingly enough, a cooling system problem, letting the car run too cold, was the cause for the DPF light to come on. So just keep that in mind whenever you're looking at anything, especially around DPF issues and catalytic converter issues, etc. Most of the time there'll be a fault upstream somewhere that's causing that particular fault to happen. So make sure you keep your mind open to any of those possibilities. Even if the car comes in with a DPF light on, it was actually a cooling system fault that actually was the cause on this particular case. So keep your mind open. Don't forget, if you are a member, to use those repair solutions that are on our website. We add to them every fortnight. Another 20 repair solutions go up every fortnight, so that database is growing all the time. If you're not a member, maybe come and join up, tap.net.au, and you can just click up on the Join Up Now button with the many other thousands of technicians sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.